Today I'm sharing our favorite things to buy at the Dollar Tree for RV camping. I picked up a dish drainer there along with these rubber gloves, and I always buy my dish soap there. I obviously need more, but I pick up the dish soap there and then the dish cleaning supplies. Along with that, these are very well used and have been washed multiple times, but I pick up dish towels, dishcloths, and also oven mitts and hot pads. We get our paper products and servingware there, paper plates, napkins, utensils. I love these. They're actually disposable, but they look real. Or you can go ahead, if you're going to be able to wash your dishes, you can go ahead and pick up utensils inexpensively that are reusable. I also pick up a few of these disposable tablecloths, and I love to serve hot dogs and hamburgers in these cute little baskets. They're just plastic, but the Dollar Tree also sells the liners to go in the baskets. It's just a fun way to serve your meals when you're eating outside. I love these baking dishes. I can use them on a campfire or on our barbecue, and they also store food nicely because they come with the covers. I get my aluminum foil there. When I'm camping, I always make sure to get the heavy-duty aluminum foil. And the Dollar Tree also stocks fire starters. I pick up duct tape at the Dollar Tree. It is a camping essential. Basically, it's a travel essential for us. I get paper towel and Kleenex there. Now, these Kleenex cannot be thrown down your RV toilet because your septic system can't handle this kind of paper. You need the special marine toilet paper that dissolves quickly, or toilet paper that's safe for septic systems. We get a lot of our toiletries there, the trash bags, bug spray, lotion, sunscreen, soaps, those type of things. And then lastly, I get kitchen supplies. They have them real inexpensive. They're not super great quality, but for camping, as often as we use them, they last for a lot of years. So I picked up a cheese grater, corn on the cob holders, ladles and spatulas, wooden utensils like wooden spoons, wooden paddles, measuring spoons, measuring cups, a pizza cutter, all those types of things. In the comment section, I would love to know your favorite finds at the Dollar Tree. As always, thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.